Welcome back to our channel. Just switched from Android to iPhone, finished setting everything up, and then realized move to iOS requires you to erase your iPhone first? You don't want a factory reset, but still want to move all your Android data over? Don't worry, this method is a much better fit for you. If your iPhone is already set up, I recommend using iCareFone iTransGo. It's a professional data transfer tool that can move photos, videos, messages, music, contacts, and more from your Android to your iPhone without wiping your new device. You can find the download link in the description below. First, connect both your Android phone and your iPhone to your computer using data cables. Open iCareFone iTransGo and select Android to iPhone. Once both devices are detected, click Start. Next, choose the types of data you want to transfer, then click Start Scan. The software will automatically scan the amount and size of transferable data. Once the scan is complete, click Transfer Data to begin. Wait for the process to finish, and then you'll be able to view all your transferred photos, videos on your iPhone. The whole process is very straightforward, and you don't need to erase your iPhone at all. Now let's look at the second method, move to iOS. If your iPhone hasn't been activated yet, or you've just set it up and there's no important data on it, this method works perfectly. First, search and download the Move to iOS app on your Android phone. Then launch it. And if your iPhone is already fully set up, you'll need to erase everything first. Open Settings, tap General, scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Erase all content and settings. After your iPhone restarts, it will return to the Hello screen. Follow the on-screen steps until you reach the Transfer Your Apps and Data page. Then choose from Android. Tap the Continue button on both phones. Then, it will pop up a pairing code. Enter the code to build connection. Once connected, select the data you want to transfer, tap Transfer, and wait for it to complete. After that, continue setting up your iPhone, and you'll see all your Android data successfully transferred over. So here's a quick recap. If your iPhone is not activated yet, use Move to iOS. If your iPhone is already set up and you don't want to erase anything, iCareFone iTransGo is the better choice. Faster, easier, and way more convenient. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.